Where are we?
We're in Butler, Wisconsin, and we're at Corvette Connection.
Corvette. You think there's a Pinto race anywhere? A Pinto vet?
No Pinto connections.
What about a Fairmont?
Nah, probably not. No connections there.
This is luxury. Look at we're sitting on couches here. Overstuffed, they say these are overstuffed couches.
That's right. They're only the best here in Butler, Wisconsin.
I sleep on a couch a lot of times, so I'm a connoisseur of fine couches. Let's go walk
check this place out. I'll follow you a little bit.
Watch out for that seat right there. That might have come from a Pinto.
Custom seat.
Fine wood paneling. Fire extinguisher.
Look at this sign up here by the cameraman. As soon as it goes by here, what does this say right here? Private.
Oh, alarm will sound. Oh, boy.
See this racetrack, the biggest track on the circuit. You will be amazed at this place. Check this place out. Corvette Connection Raceway.
Luxury.
We got a heck of a race tonight. We've got a lot of money in the line for the pole sitter.
180,000 slot car dollars, right?
Dino Bravo alongside Little E, and this is the Corvette Connection Raceway, the Corvette Connection Grand Prix. And here is your pole sitter, and he's only got half a car. What the hell is up with that, Chris?
He hit the wall real hard.
Well, how the hell can he race it like that?
I don't know. Maybe it's not illegal.
Joe Heights, and then there's the point leader. That's Joe Heights, and then that's the point. No, that damn camera's moving too. That's John Wiedemann right there,
making my head spin.
I know.
Third place. That's Dean Strom.
Oh yeah, you don't think it isn't?
It is him. They say
my! And then
Matador.
Oh wow! How did those two guys get so fast? The Matador and the Heights guy.
Drinking a lot of beer.
Who's this now?
Dan Margetta. Dangerous Dan Margetta.
Oh, on this big raceway, and right there is
Steve Rist.
Steve Rist. Whoa. Squirrel Shagged Angry Enterprise Racing. Oh, that's a good-looking car.
At the hometown hero?
Oh, that is
Brad Corvette.
Yes.
Corvette Brad. Mike Lack.
And this is one of the team cars that we can't. Even the drivers don't know who's who.
That's the Mini B, Little James.
A great qualifying effort by James. A great qualifying effort indeed by James Spirit. That is Bill Black. And then we go back, and there is one of his teammates.
Pete Thorne.
Shotgun on the field.
Oh.
Well, that's
Little B. He's getting a running start. He's going to pass them all.
He's getting over the Corvette Connection Grand Prix.
We are running towards the end of the first half. Mike Lack has faded.
Yeah, it's faded down. It looks like Dean Strom is leading right now. And Steve Rist has taken the lead, I think, right there.
Yeah, Rist out front over Dean.
And Chris Spirit. We should have said three fast guys and Mike Lack.
Evidently. We are closing in on the finish of this opening heat race. Steve Rist has taken a solid lead over Dean Strom, but that battle for second place is definitely on.
10 seconds to go here.
A few seconds here for Steve Rist as he hopes to move on to a final here at the big track with the win of the heat race.
John Wiedemann, Joe Heights, Bill Black, and Pete Dorn ready to go at it. John Wiedemann with a bit of a problem early on, but Joe Heights, your pole sitter, out front with a lot of money. Yeah, but there's a lot of money in the line for Joe Heights.
That's right. We've got nearly 200,000 IndySlotCar bucks up for grabs. Right now, he's about a straightaway ahead. John Wiedemann was on that front row, struggling in that red lane.
And Joe Heights, you can hear him crying from back here. Both of them are having a intense time right now. Pete Dorn hasn't come off yet. I think he's just
been super clean,
slow and steady. Here comes Pete in the orange car.
Here he comes, yeah.
Dorn is right there. See, he's just stalking him like Jaws.
Here he comes.
Here he comes. He's going to get him. He is there. He is right there. He makes the move. He's going to take
Dorn,
the lead.
Back to the lead.
That's a good race here in the second heat race, but here comes Joe Heights back. It's like whoever gets out front has that bit of a, almost like a draft, from the second place car.
Exactly.
He slips right up to him. Oh, big crash for Joe Heights.
For Heights. That allows Dorn to open up a bit of a lead now.
Joe Heights has pulled out to about a 3-lap lead. He had that great an incident with Dorn before, but he battled his way back, took the lead, and pulled away. And now John Wiedemann holds on to second as we come down to the conclusion of this heat race for that transfer spot.
Last few seconds now.
We'll watch Watch the celebration coming up from Joe Heights.
Joe's just taking it easy, but there it is. That's a heat race win. He's looking to repeat here at the Corvette Connection Grand Prix. And John Wiedemann right now sitting on that transfer spot.
Heat number 3. Heat number 3, we got a Little B. Little B in that one. Got Dangerous Dan. Got Brad, the hometown hero. And we got Order, the Matador, Mike Kristoff. Heat number 3. They're all away cleanly. Gonna just get another shot here of the. On the way, Brad Core, a little bit of trouble there to let go. I gotta, before we go to commercial, going to my friend from far away, Hung Solo.
Oh, hello.
Where you been?
Oh, I've been here. I've been there.
Wherever you said. Where have you? Oh, no! Oh no!
Why are you on the floor?
I don't know. It just happened. Sad.
Did it hurt when you fell on the floor?
Yeah, it hurt very much. I hit my head a bit.
Are you going to be okay?
Hopefully, I think so.
Okay, good. New guy on floor. Bad. End of night for new guy.
Bummer. James Spirit was doing really well. One on the floor. Oh, that's the way it goes sometimes. Got some allegations of sandbagging over here. Accusing this guy here of sandbagging.
In the homeland, I used to sleep on a sandbag.
Look at him come down that straight. Look at that top end speed. Holy cow.
They're really not that fast.
No, they're not that fast.
No, this heat kind of sucks.
Wow, you got a lot of criticism, Hung.
I'm kind of bored.
Oh,
there's a car over here.
Oh, he was.
Hold on, I had to help on the track. Who this? Oh, crap. Okay. Well, it's really tough to marshal and talk.
All right, final heat race. Dan Margetta takes that final spot.
Oh, hooray, Dan Margetta. He sucks.
You gonna win the big trophy?
I don't know, we'll see. I'm against some pretty fast cars. I'm not that fast. John Wiedemann's always good. Who's the other guy here?
Joe Heights?
Yeah, he says I crashed 8,000 reasons to crash him this time. We'll see. Steve Riss, he's the guy I'm worried about.
Let's go talk to Steve Rist. Dan Margetta says that you're the guy to beat.
I don't know. Just stay on. That's about it. Hoping for a good finish.
What are you guys gunning for, Joe?
Well, we'll try to take Joe out. Gotta help the teammate.
We don't want to win that money, do you?
No, absolutely not.
Spoiler. Let's go find that guy. He's the guy with a target on his back. Don't run away. All these guys here, they're going to you out to prevent you from winning that money.
They got to catch me if they could take me out.
Oh, it's fighting words. You got a car that has no front end, right? Got no drag in the front.
Yeah, it's the balance is off a little bit, but luckily this track favors a little rear end balance, so I think we're all right.
Well, good luck out there.
Thank you.
Watch your back. Now I'll talk to this guy here. The fourth guy in the final, John Wiedemann.
Somehow
He'll be the fourth guy.
I got the transfer. I don't know how it happened. Had a really rough start to that first half of the heat. I don't know what was going on there. So lucked our way in, see where we can go from here.
You gonna take out Joe?
No, I'm just going to pass him.
Pass him on the track. I like that. All right.
It is the Corvette Connection Grand Prix turn. Through turn one, the corkscrew. Joe Heights just barely ahead of Steve Rist with John Wiedemann. Now moving up to second. Wiedemann trying to challenge Heights. A crash back there for Rist, while Margetta is staying right in it. Now they're side by side for the lead. And now we had a crash back there for Margetta. Oh, and now a spin, just a little spin into the squiggles for Wiedemann. That allows Heights to open up about a 2 straightaway lead. Another spin for Heights. Everybody in top 3 now on the same lap. And this is the battle for second. That is Wiedemann in the yellow and black, and the papaya and black is Dan Margetta. And here comes Heights to put them both a lap down.
Goes ahead by a lap.
Oh, Dan, those two crash, and that allows Wiedemann to get a lot of distance back. Final 30 seconds for Joe Heitz to repeat at Corvette Connection Grand Prix. Dan Margetta trying to chase him down, but Heitz has a crash coming off the straightaway, and all he's got to do is keep it on the track to collect that trophy again, and there it is. 2 years in a row for Joe Heitz and his third win of the season.
Connection Grand Prix is in the books, and this guy, champion of this popular win.
Yeah, very unpopular finish, I guess, here, but it's hard fought, and I honestly can't give all the credit to myself. The team did great. The car was awesome. So a little luck with the lanes. Life is good.
I think a lot of luck with the lane choice.
Little luck.
A lot of luck.
Pequeño. That's small.
What? Oh, yeah, he knows all about that, doesn't he? Yeah, well, all right. Okay, hey, let's bring in track owner Brad Core. Brad, here's the hardware.
Thank you. Well done.
Weird. This is
Ed,
familiar.
and the very nice ratcheting screwdriver from Snap-on.
There's a dust-free triangle at my house where this was. Glad to bring it home again.
Congratulations and well done.
All right, and
build the better car for next race.
And the pole to win money, 108 goes your way. Congratulations! Don't spend it all on one stripper.
Silk Exotic is closing, so they got discounts. So this will go a long ways.
Congratulations on the win.
Half price lap dances. Everybody here, we doing.
That's.
I'm here to bring your match.
One hung low. What you do?
Oh, hero! I got nothing at all.
The Indy Slot Car Series thanks you for watching the Indy Slot Car channel.
That's bullshit is what that is.
Oh, you use a bad word. Oh, boy.
Oh, yeah, sorry. We can beep that one out, right?
Yeah, who's that?
All of a sudden, he's a Red Hot Chili Peppers song there, and I did say preppers.
Get him out of my lane! Put me in green!